Welcome back. We shall now discuss the very important aspect of bearing maintenance, beginning with general procedures. The procedures we will discuss apply mostly to anti-friction bearings, but many also apply to plain bearings. As with all important tasks, there have to be some basic rules. We call them do's and do-nots. Follow these rules and you will experience few problems in maintaining bearings. Here then are the do's. Work with clean tools, clean hands, and in clean surroundings. If dirt enters a bearing, it will quickly wear out. Only remove a bearing from its carton when you are ready to fit it. This allows less time for it to become contaminated with dust or dirt. Ensure that the mating surfaces are perfectly clean and free of burrs or high spots before attempting to fit a bearing. Shafts and housing seatings must be within specifications. Only use fresh, clean grease when applicable. Keep grease buckets sealed to prevent dirt and dust from entering. Always use the recommended type and amount of lubricant, be it grease or oil that is recommended. Finally, but not leastly, always use the recommended tools and follow the procedures that you will learn shortly when removing and installing any bearing. After the break, we shall discuss some important do-nots when working around bearings.